A warm welcome to everyone joining us here in Lucid's headquarters. It's a really thrilling day for me to present our first product, Lucid Air. We'll see the fusion of the art and the science, the technology, all coming together in an incredible product which will offer the customer so much more. Luxury and comfort, incredible performance, unrivaled range, so much space, just the volume of the frunk. And the HMI, it's a beautiful piece of art. The technology that underpins it is out of this world.
From the very beginning, our core mission was to accelerate the adoption of electrification and make the best car in the world. Early on, we started working towards this clean design and really simplify the vehicle to its very core essence.
What makes good design is creating with passion, creating with care, the fit and finishes, and attention to details. We knew we were a California company. It was this perfect, natural connection.
One of the advantages Lucid has is our drivetrain components are incredibly compact and power dense. We push all those components down and away and give all that extra space to the passenger compartment, and creates a very unique paradigm where we're larger on the inside and more compact on the outside.
So to enable the space concept to work, it required mastery of electric cars, electric powertrain, battery, motor, transmission, power electronics or inverter, and software. We do all that in-house. I'm really delighted that Lucid Air has been validated as achieving over 500 miles. And I like to think of it as goodbye range anxiety and hello range confidence. The surprising thing here is the performance of the car. And I may like fast cars, but honestly, I didn't set out to create a car as fast as Lucid Air. This relentless search for efficiency has resulted in the rest of the system being minute. And yet, unbelievably, we have over 1,000 horsepower.
We develop a whole host of cutting-edge technologies and systems fully in-house. One to mention would be our Dream Drive system. We have a host of 32 ADAS sensors. We've been able to re-engineer a headlamp completely. We're using our micro-lens array optical system. We achieve the most homogeneous headlight of any car out there. Another aspect that's fully developed in-house is our 924-volt architecture.
We have a pack which can take 300 kilowatts of fast charge over 900 volts. No one else has that. This is groundbreaking.
The Wunderbox enables us to charge very, very fast, and one of the most customer important systems is the bidirectionality. This will enable you to use the car as a battery system.
Our factory is the first greenfield EV factory in North America. It will be the fastest factory built, and if you want to build a luxury vehicle without quality, there's no way. You need quality in your processes, in your design, in your product, everything you do.
The Lucid UX experience starts outside the car in our Lucid app. The app is tied to your Lucid ID, so as you approach the car, it knows it's you. You can use natural voice commands to play music, set a stop on your navigation, or even check your calendar and appointments. Our approach was to put all the love and care that we put into the Lucid Air into our studios. The digital customer journey is designed to be seamless, from retail, web, to application, to overall in-car experience.
We're going to launch Lucid Air with the exquisite limited edition Dream Edition. It's got over 1,000 horsepower, giving it a 0 to 60 time in under 2.5 seconds and a standing quarter in 9.9. And because it achieves this with the most unsurpassed efficiency, the car has remarkable range as well. So this car has performance and range in a unique fusion. But we have one more glimpse of the future that I would like to share with you. I'd like to introduce Project Gravity.
CO21 to high-speed unit, track is clear, 10 minutes to go. Powering out. High speed unit confirmed. 17 miles per hour.